I'm sitting in my office feeling blindfolded while facing screens of production metrics. Through my window, I can see Bob, our master welder of 30 years, his hands steady as ever, and the assembly team working in a dance of blue sparks that tells more truth about our production status than any of these dashboards ever could. Each refresh of these pristine graphs feels like another layer of the blindfold. Perfect numbers, our CEO mutters to his phone, thumb scrolling through colorful graphs. He's already rehearsing his speech to the board, practicing that winning smile, not the confident data wizard he'd pretended to be. All the numbers are wrong, all of them. That's when I made the call to NAOLOGIC. Tell me about your pain points, their builder said. And for the first time in months, someone was asking about reality instead of reports. As I spoke, I could see their AI agents coming to life, each one analyzing different aspects of our operation, one watching Bob's workflow, another studying our capacity patterns. Within days, we had our own AI agent on the floor. I watched in amazement as it moved between the office and shop floor, learning from Bob's decades of experience, translating the rhythm of our actual production into meaningful data. It noticed things our old software never could: how Bob adjusted his workflow for different materials, how certain customer specifications affected our real capacity. We're not just measuring what we did last month, we're understanding what we can actually achieve next month. The CEO looked up from his phone, really looked up, maybe for the first time in months. "Show me more," he said. NAOLOGIC, Intelligence Meets Industry. Visit naologic.com to schedule your demo today.